So we said the first rule is addition and subtraction rule. Now, why we say addition and subtraction rule, the two rule goes together. So let's look up. Given that this is sort A and then sort B, we're told by the rule that sort A plus sort B is not equal to sort of A plus B. Subtraction rule also states that root A minus root B, which is sort B, is not equal to root A or sort A minus sort B. It's not equal to. So let's take practical example. Given that A is 2 and B is 3. Let's input A is 2 plus B. We are saying that it's not equal to root A, which is 2 plus 3. So at the end of the day, we say that but root 2 plus root 3, please take note, this is 3 already, is not equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. So we are saying that this is not equal to this. If you also apply it on subtraction, remember this addition, on subtraction we are saying that root 2, or which is sort 2, minus sort 3 is not equal to sort 2 minus 3. So this will give us but sort 2 minus sort 3, which is root 3. This will give us what? Minus 1. Those of you that learn what we call, when you get to our institution or in further math, they will teach you complex number, imaginary number. That's when you will discover this. If you press this now in your calculator, you are going to have syntax error. Press it in your calculator, it will tell you error. But when you are advanced in mathematics, you can solve this. It will not be error. Square root, just look at it. We said that given that we have sort A times sort B is equal to square root of A times B for all sorts. That is for multiplication. Then for division, we said that sort A over sort B is equal to the square root of A over B. Take note for all sorts as well. When we say for all sorts, it means applicable to all sorts. If you put it, let's input a value to take just example. Let's assume that A is equals 6 and B equals 2 and B is equals 2. This is simply, let's input to both multiplication and division. So under multiplication, we have that A, which is 6 sort 6 times sort 2 is equal to 2 times 6. At the end of the day, you have that this is sort 12. This will also give you sort 12. You can see that they are equal. Let's take on division rule. Using the same value, A as 6 and B as 2, which will give us sort of A, which is sort of 6, over sort of 2, will simply give us 6 over 2. Sort of 2 to sort of 6 will give us sort 3, and this 2 into 6 will be what? 3, which is what? Sort 3. You see that equivalent. So that's the rule there. So please take note, we are still on that. We want to quickly look at rationalization of sort. That's what we are going to quickly. We are just giving you the introductions and the basics. In case you are just following us, please try to subscribe and get other topics. In case you want to know how to work on non-perfect square, for example, the square root of 3, we have square root of 6. They are not perfect square, but you want to know how to work on them without calculator. Try to subscribe, click, check, we'll have a video there, and you'll learn how to look for square root of 3 square root of 6 without calculator. Okay, we want to quickly look at rationalization of surd. Surd. We said to rationalize surd, this is the format. Let's assume we have a value called A all over surd of what? B. We were told that when you have a surd value as a denominator, is actually not proper. So to rationalize, you simply use your surd to multiply your numerator and denominator. What are we trying to see? Solution. This will give us, to rationalize this means A over root B multiply the numerator, which is the surd, by the numerator and denominator, so which is times surd B over surd B. Do you know that this is going to give you A surd B all over surd B times surd B is the same thing as surd B squared now, if you want to put it that way, which is going to give you B. So anytime you multiply this times this to give you, how do I mean? Because some of you might be wondering, how do we get the answer? Let's just practicalize it. This is going to be surd B times B from our law, which at the end of the day will give us A surd B over B times B is surd B squared. And remember when I was teaching you the other time, the basics for cancelling at this, we cancel out this. So that at the end of the day, we have A surd B all over what? B. So let's apply it here quickly. So look at this practical work. So we multiply quickly by surd 4, which is our denominator, times surd 4 all over surd 4. This will give us 2 surd 4 all over what? 4. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. At the end of the day, we have that. We have surd 4 all over 2. And surd 4 over 2, square root of 4 is not 2. 2 over 2, which is equals 1. This one is times surd 5 and surd 6 all over surd 6, which is 5 surd 6 all over 6. We'll go to the next one. This will be 10 surd 2 times surd 5 over surd 5 times surd 5. This will give us, this times this will say, you can multiply this, will give us 10 surd 10 all over 5. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2, which is going to be 2 surd 10. That's your final answer. So quickly, please go work on this. Drop your answer in the comment section. We'll give you the answer. Just work on these two. Question number 4 and 5. Thank you.